dead kids, dead spouses, and an alleged doomsday cult. The Lori Vallow Daybell case is a puzzling mystery that started unraveling right here in the Valley.
Lori and her husband, Chad Daybell, are both behind bars, charged in connection with the death of her children, JJ and Tylee. They're now going to face trial together, and the clock is ticking as their attorneys get ready for it.
Team 12's Erica Stapleton takes us inside the twists, the turns, the evidence, and what we'll see next.
Lori Vallow Daybell has been tight-lipped since authorities arrested her back in March, but the evidence against her and her husband says a lot.
I feel like I'm being tracked all the time. I'm like, why are police coming to my door?
Idaho police grilling Lori Vallow Daybell last November after a relative reported her kids, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan, missing.
The officers who were here earlier,
Yeah.
and they got a bad vibe that, like, something was going on here.
She moved them from Arizona to Idaho in early September 2019. Court records now showing JJ and Tylee were both likely killed before the end of that month and gruesomely buried in Lori's husband, Chad Daybell's backyard, where they were found in June. But when police first confronted Lori about their disappearance, she points them in a different direction.
So JJ would be where?
He's in Arizona.
Who's he with in Arizona?
He's with one of my friends in Arizona.
That friend, Melanie Gibb from Gilbert, also taking the stand.
And I felt very shooken up by it.
She says Lori asked her to lie to police and say JJ was with her.
Is JJ safe?
He is safe and happy.
Melanie going on to secretly record a call with Lori and Chad in December of 2019,
I don't understand how that could hurt me if I knew where he was.
where she tries to get answers herself.
Well, I'm just not telling anybody so I can keep him as safe as possible.
Melanie turning the recording over to police.
I believe that you have been very deceived by Satan. I believe that he has tricked you.
These recordings coming out in Chad Daybell's preliminary hearing, a hearing Lori waived over the summer. Hours of testimony showing some of the state's hand ahead of trial.
You just have to have faith, and this is not some sort of master plan. There's no way Lori and I can ever come up with this.
Just this week, a judge ruled to combine Chad and Lori Daybell's cases for trial. A new date hasn't been set yet. We're in Phoenix. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.